Here's a heartwarming story about a cat. Whiskers in the Secret Garden. In a small village tucked between rolling green hills, there lived a curious tabby cat named Whiskers. Whiskers wasn't like other cats who spent their days napping in sunny spots or chasing after butterflies. Instead, he had an insatiable desire for adventure. One morning, while exploring the outskirts of the village, Whiskers stumbled upon an old crumbling wall covered in ivy. Behind the wall, he heard the faint sound of water trickling and birds chirping. Intrigued, he pawed at a loose brick and managed to wiggle his way through. What Whiskers discovered took his breath away. A secret garden that seemed untouched by time. The garden was filled with vibrant flowers in every color imaginable, ancient trees whose branches stretched toward the sky, and a crystal-clear pond in the center that shimmered like diamonds in the sunlight. As Whiskers wandered deeper into the garden, he noticed something unusual. The animals in the garden seemed to understand him. A wise old owl greeted him with a hoot, a family of rabbits invited him to share their carrots, and even a shy deer approached to nuzzle his head. For weeks, Whiskers visited the garden daily, forming friendships with its magical inhabitants. But one day he noticed that the garden was beginning to wither. The flowers drooped, the pond's water level fell, and the animals grew quiet and sad. Determined to save his newfound paradise, Whiskers embarked on a quest. The owl told him that the garden's life source, an ancient golden key hidden in the village, had been stolen long ago. Without the key, the garden couldn't survive. Whiskers snuck into the village library late one night, pawing through old books and maps until he found a clue. The key was hidden in the bell tower of the church. Under the cover of darkness, Whiskers climbed the tower, leaping across beams and dodging cobwebs. At last, he found the golden key glinting in the moonlight. With the key safely in his grasp, Whiskers returned to the garden. He placed the key into a hidden lock in the oldest tree's trunk. Instantly, the garden sprang back to life. The flowers bloomed brighter than ever, the pond overflowed with sparkling water, and the animals cheered in delight. From that day on, Whiskers became the guardian of the secret garden, ensuring its magic.